Joe with ADAS Calibration Services out of Carmel, Indiana. Hey, before we walk you through calibrating static calibration with a Hyundai Kona we have in shop right now, wanted to remind you guys that before doing any calibration, you want to be sure a few things are done. One, you want to be sure the tires are at the proper PSI. So check the placard on, it's usually in the driver's door frame, to check out what that manufacturer wants the tires at. And then of course you want to be sure any fluids, you want to be sure those are topped off, the gas is filled up as much as possible, and just make sure nothing of excessive weight is in the vehicle, no one's in the vehicle in the back. Okay, it can happen. Just be sure the vehicle's at its base weight, so that whenever, you just want to be sure there's no adjustments with how the camera itself or the radar is aiming at the targets you're wanting to calibrate, so you get the proper calibration to protect you down the road. Well, hey, come along with us. We're about to do a static calibration here. We'll walk you through the steps. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do a static calibration with Autel. Autel makes it super user-friendly with step-by-step guides. So, if you're asking me, I'd say go with Autel, but do what you think's best for your business and your customers. One other quick reminder, whenever you're doing a static calibration in particular, always want to be sure you have a battery tender hooked up to that vehicle's battery, just to make sure you're not draining your customer's battery down to give them issues in the future. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.